You will love the features of this 2019 Dodge Charger. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Dodge Charger, the powerful, high-performance muscle car with four-door convenience, technology that keeps you safe and connected, and surprising fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the power of muscle car heritage at the wheel of the Charger. Road test it today.